Hi, I'm Tracy with the Bookmobile, and this is
Sadie, Tracy's granddaughter.
This is Sadie, my granddaughter, and today we are going to make
Slushies and smoothies.
slushies and smoothies. What are we making first?
Slushie.
A slushie, and our ingredients are, can you show me? Us?
Ice. Sprite. Gatorade.
And what tools do we need?
Oh, a blender.
A blender. All right. Let's show us how to do it, Sadie.
Okay.
We're going to follow you. Sadie is the chef in the family.
You're going to add a cup of ice to your blender. Well, 2 cups.
2 cups of ice to the blender.
And then you're going to pour your bottle of Gatorade.
Does it have to be Gatorade?
No, it could be Kool-Aid.
It could be Kool-Aid or Powerade.
Powerade, Gatorade.
Kool-Aid, whatever flavored drink you like. Does it have bubbles in it?
No.
Okay, no bubbles.
That's why I'm putting it in the blender.
Okay, that's
No bubbles go in the blender or she's going to turn flat.
no bubbles in the blender. How much did you put?
About half. We're going to put it on blend.
Sadie put it on blend, but that makes it spin around. I recommend you pulse so the ice can go up and back down again into the blade. She's going to add more ice.
And you don't forget your spoon.
Look.
Don't forget your spoon.
Ooh, yum. Can you see that? There it is. It is beautiful. Pull a spoonful out. Let's look at it.
Very slush.
Ooh.
It's like a slush.
Very
Wait,
slush.
Okay. Now you're going to take your Sprite. We did not put that
Why
in.
did we not put that in there?
Because it's going to explode.
Because it's going to explode?
Probably. Because it would go flat in the blender.
Because it would go flat in the blender. Okay, so now we're going to put it in there. And she's sniffing the bubbles again.
Definitely not flat. Add a little bit.
She's adding it to her cup.
Pour some Sprite on top. That was freaking cool.
And
It's kind of melting because I spilled. But if it just can't see me, but
and there you have it. One finished smoothie. Ice, Powerade, Gatorade. It's a slushie. I'm sorry. One finished slushie. What is it?
Gatorade,
Ice.
ice.
And a little
Sprite.
7-Up. Oh, Sprite. Excuse me. I guess it could be 7-Up.
Ew, gross. It's so gross when it's warm.
Oh, okay. Now for part 2, the smoothie. What do we need, Sadie?
We need 2 whole cut bananas, 8 cut strawberries with the top cut off.
Cleaned.
Clean. Yes, clean.
This is Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Some more ice. Ready whipped cream, orange juice, and your measuring cup, and your blender, and your spoon.
Did we fix the guard?
Yes, I fixed the guard.
Okay, we're ready to go.
And that's just orange juice.
Orange juice.
How big is your measuring cup?
It's not actually dirty.
It's a
It's
cup.
clean. Somebody
Oh.
missed a spot, maybe.
Move, bro.
Strawberries. Blend. bananas.
What earrings?
Continue, please.
I'm gonna add all the bananas.
Okay.
I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah.
Now what?
I'm gonna add a little bit of ice, a little bit less than a cup, like a few cubes.
Like a half a cup?
Now we're just gonna go a whole cup.
She wants it extra smooth,
On it,
extra cold.
icy. Yeah, I think that's fruits aren't
But
cold.
this is, oh, okay. She had the fruit in the freezer for a few minutes. Normally,
About 40, but they weren't frozen.
they weren't quite frozen. They were cold, but not frozen. Normally, she would keep them in the freezer for a good while.
I
I'd let 'em
usually
get
leave them
good
overnight.
Overnight.
You know, a day.
Overnight. So they can get good and icy.
Oh.
Sarah's helping.
I'm
Helping
making
my
the better.
nerves.
I'm making.
So she added the ice to make up the difference for the non-frozen fruit.
It smells so good.
Show me a spoonful. Is it all thick and rich and yummy? All I can see is your hand. You go
I'm
this
checking
way.
for ice real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, I got some ice particles. Oh, there's strawberries.
Yum. Now what?
I make the video better.
One more splash of orange juice. Even though I didn't taste it.
The color looks off, huh?
Yes.
There you go. The color looks off, so she put a little splash on. She just wanted to.
Pour it into your cup.
Your fancy schmancy cup.
Ooh, look how rich and thick. Chunks of fruit. Uh-oh. Technical difficulties.
I did it! I broke it off like they do in the movies. Look how
Wow.
cute!
And then you go like this. Oh, okay.
Is it yum?
I can't decide. I think it's sour.
Mmm. You want to taste?
No.
It's a whole lot of banana. You love banana. Oh my gosh, it's so good. A little bit of cream, heavy cream.
Well, I have some left.
Okay. She has some left. She doesn't usually put milk or cream or anything in her slushies because she likes that really. This one is the smoothie, not a slushie.
Goat's milk or milk?
I like the goat's milk. We have a choice of milk, goat's milk, fresh milk, like straight from the cow, and we have
Mark basket milk.
cream also, like
Creamer.
creamer, yes. But we're gonna use goat's milk because it is so smooth and so
Why
good.
am I doing this?
Milk, sis. Come on, bro. Gotta get technical with these things.
That is about a quarter of a cup, a third of a
I
cup,
just covered the camera. My bad.
quarter of a cup, a third of a cup.
It's
We don't know.
about a liquid amount.
It's a liquid amount. There you go.
Oh.
Do it. Oh, that's perfect. Ooh, that one's mine. Now for the
That
taste
one's
test.
Sadie's.
Oh my.
Got whipped cream on your nose.
Mmm.
You gotta build up.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
And this is why they do this when I'm not home. So I don't have to see the mess. Mama has to try it.
Okay, you know how to do it?
No.
Put some on. Okay, and then you hit
I
your.
think
Wait, it's not. Make it round.
Okay, Shay, show her how to do it. I got the camera.
And now I slap my wrist and it flies up in the air, right?
Yeah, you gotta catch it with your mouth.
Right. Let's try again. It's stuck.
Mama, you don't slap it. You
Look.
hit it. Look, watch Sadie.
Well, I'm gonna attempt. Get my gum off the mail. Oh, I should have done it with my other hand. Whatever.
Oh, she did it! Woohoo!
Burnt. So I go Scooby Doo.
Get out the way. You have to,
Okay.
you have to hit it hard,
Look.
Mama. Tricks with whipped cream after smoothie.
Do it, do it, do it.
Okay, dang.
You don't want to put it directly onto your skin like that. You don't want to push it down. You want it to set on top.
Whatever.
My turn.
Okay. I'm gonna do it too, so. Make it fit.
Yeah, you want to kind of
There
like
you
just
go.
sit there. Don't push it on your
Okay,
skin.
okay. How do you do that?
Yeah, like that. You push one arm up and the other arm down.
Ow!
Not that hard.
It's not gonna work.
Okay. Send your hand in the way. Thank you.
I wonder if it's been in the way the whole time.
Sadie,
I'm sorry.
you are. Well.
Wow! Look at that art.
Catch it?
No, look.
Okay, we're done. Here.
That's the end. Thank you.
And that is how you make smoothies.
And having tricks with Sadie and Sarah and Mama.
And now you know the behind the scenes life of a librarian.
With